Very good morning to everyone. Okay,
Good morning, sir.
1 minute. Two members are Yogi and which are Ininga which are joined. Okay, 1 minute. One more important message I have to. I wanted to pass you people. Okay. Yesterday we had a meeting with the principal madam. The principal madam said that another 1 month lockdown will be there. Okay. Few of the students, they thought that after the lockdown again classes will be engaged. Why you want to attend the online classes and all? There is no use, nothing. Don't think like that. Whatever the online classes we are going to cover the portion, we should not repeat on the after the lockdown also. After the lockdown, only hardly 15 minutes you have a time, or 15 days you have a time. Sorry for that. 15 days you have time. In that you have to conduct two IAs and project seminar, whatever things will be there, you have to complete in that time only. So my request is that personal request is that don't neglect the online classes, all the subjects. Try to attend everyone, full strength you have to attend and understand the concept, and whatever the materials you want, maybe notes or printed something, slides or videos, anything you want, no, please contact the concerned professors. They will help you. And after the means whatever the online classes, what you going to cover the portions, daily report we are going to filling. After that, then we should not repeat the topics. Please remember it. Please inform this message to everyone. We are also to start putting today onwards the message to everyone. Please you also convey. Okay. So please attend regularly. Not only my classes, all the classes. Please you have to attend, because final students you have only few three subjects are there. Okay, not much also. There is no lab also. Then how much is possible? Try to complete the project, as well as you have to concentrate the subject. That too hardly 1 month. After 1 month, maybe you have an exam. Okay. Once it lockdown is open, then we have a conduct the two IS continuously. After that, we have the remaining things. What are things is maybe it incomplete of the seminar, incomplete of projects, you have to complete it, and within 15 days you have to get ready for the exam. Not now, after the lockdown open. Clear my point?
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
clear my points now? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Shall we start the
Yes, sir.
topic? Shall we start the topic? Please switch mute your whatever the sound is coming from the background is disturbing. Okay. Yesterday, previous class, we have discussed the compacting, what is the meaning of compacting, and the related diagrams. Okay. And sintering, what is the meaning of sintering, and related diagrams, like a solid phase sintering, like a liquid phase sintering. These are the everything points we are going to discuss in the previous class. The today class, I would like to discuss three concepts. The first concept is cold isostatic pressing, and second concept is hot isostatic pressing, and third one is sleep casting process in powder metallurgy. So these are the very important concept of the powder metallurgy and examination point of view, as well as knowledge the point of view. These are the three concepts are very important. Today I will start with the first one is cold isostatic pressing. This cold and hot pressings will comes under the compacting. We were discussing the previous class. Compacting means what, how it is happened. After the compacting, the how the dense product will going to be producing. Everything we have studied in the with the help of diagram. We have studied the understanding the meaning of the compacting also. The today is very important and different methods to compact. That is a cold isostatic pressing and hot isostatic pressing. I will share the image. Okay, then you will understand. Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Are you can able to see the slide?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. This is cold isostatic pressing. Okay. So we need to understand before discussing the concept. We need to understand that cold isostatic pressing. Okay. Pressing in the sense, you know, that means already it is equal to the, it is same meaning of the compacting. Isostatic means same. Iso means same. Static means we are going to be maintaining the things that it should be a constant. and cold. Here two types are there. One is cold, another one is hot. Hot is there and cold is there. So cold isostatic pressing we need to understand. Powder materials. Just I'll read. If you not understand, I will show the videos also. Today I brought the laptop, okay, for your more understanding purpose. Okay. So powder are you able to hear my voice now, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Images appear
Sir.
images appear clearly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Powder material are sealed in a forming mold with low deformation resistance. Low deformation resistance, like a rubber bag to apply liquid pressure. Then the molded body is compressed uniformly over its entire surface by transmitting the liquid pressure. Power Powder materials are filled into a space enclosed by the metal mold and the lower punch. Then they are compressed by the narrowing the distance between the upper and lower punches. I hope number of lines are there. Maybe you people are not understanding. Just just I will show the diagram of cold isotopic pressing. Okay. Still also you're not understanding, I'll show the video. Okay. See here, cold isotopic pressing. Just see the diagram of this. So here I can able to parts are labeled. One is flexible mold is there. Flexible mold. Everyone knows that mold. What is the meaning of mold? Everyone knows. Yes or no? In the casting process and in a foundry and all, we are going to use the mold. Okay. So here the mold is made up of a very flexible. Okay. It's maybe a rubber bag and it's like a rubber bag. Okay. Then pressurization source is there. Means cold isostatic pressing we are using a liquid because of the liquid pressure we are going to be producing the component. Okay, that is the isostatic pressing. That is name of the process is cold isostatic pressing. I hope you not understand. Okay, don't worry. So I will open the which one videos, you will understand. So shall I start the play video?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Come to the directly concept. 1 minute. Hello. Hello. Come back to the slides. Come back to the slides. Hello, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see the video clearly? Hello. Have you understand the video? Hello. Hello. Please reply me. Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Have you understand the video?
Yes, not that.
No, not which one? What happened?
Not clear, sir.
Not clear. Okay. Okay. Nothing in that. So just a cold isotopic pressing is there, no? Okay. So here just you have to slide is appear cold static pressing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Just see the diagram here. The flexible mold is there. Okay. The mold is made up of rubber. Okay. Rubber. So means it is a more flexible. Means it is a you can apply the force in some end. It's going to be bent. It's going to be applied up other end. It's going to be bent. Means it is fully flexible mold. And here inside the mold, what we are doing, two punches we are going to use. One is lower punch and one is whatever the top punch. Okay. Two punches are there. So between the first we'll keep the lower punch. After that we fix the flexible mold. After that we'll put the whatever the molten whatever the metals we are going to use. No, so that you have to keep it here. After that you have to keep upper side of the whatever the material you have the top punch. So in the diagram you can able to see pressurized source is there. That is a liquid. Means you have to imagine we are going to supplying the water. Okay. If you supply the high pressure water, okay, it will fill in the automatically in the inside the chamber. So water will be creating the pressure. In the diagram in the video he shows that because of the water pressure, ball is going to be constant place. It will be stable. Means it's going to be stand in a one single point because of the all the directions pressure is going to be occupying. Means it is going to be occurring. Okay, all the direction forces of whatever the pressure is um, coming. No, that's what the whatever the flexible means all the directions flexible mold is there. So equally there is no variation of the even size and shape also. It's going to be applying the forces in the all the 360 direction. So this is after the pressing because of the water pressing, whatever because of the hydraulic pressing, whatever the powder or material you're going to use, that after that it's going to be compressed. Means it's going to be compacting. It is like one kind of compacting only, pressing. It's going to press, then it's going to be automatically compact, then the material is going to be more dense. Okay. Then whatever the cold, okay, so we are going to use only water, hydraulic energy, and producing the thing is called as a isostatic pressing. Have you understanding or not understanding?
Yes, sir.
I think, shall I repeat once again? I think clear picture you will not get maybe. Huh? Or else you will understand. Hello?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Understood, no?
Understood, sir. Understood.
Okay. This is a cold isostatic pressing. Means we are going to use, once again, briefly I'll repeat. Okay. The only thing is that very important thing is components, because lower punch and upper punches are there. So, okay. Then material is there. Then one more is important thing, flexible mold is there. Okay. In that mold, we are going to be put it into the powder. Then bottom already punch is there, lower punch, and after the putting the material again one more punch is that is top punch. Because how are you going to pressing? In the initially we are going to use the compacting something device is going to use and compacting, but here compacting itself is happening with the water pressure. Okay, in the all direction, how because of the water the pressure is created in the because high whatever the hydraulic energy is, water it going to fill with a fully chamber. Okay, then it is automatically all the directions pressure is going to be applying. Okay, then after the applying component we are getting, that is called isostatic pressing. I hope now you understand.
Yes, sir.
Shall I go for next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next one is hot isostatic pressing. Just I will read the sentence or whatever we want to prepare in the slides. HIP means hot isostatic pressing is one of material processing methods which compress material by applying high temperature. In that we are going to using for the compressing water liquid we are going to use as a for compressing. Here we are going to use a high temperature is we are going to using. Just I'll continue. Which compress the material by applying a high temperature of several 100 degrees Celsius to 2000 degrees Celsius and isostatic pressure of several tons of tens of 200 MPa means pressure at the same time. Argon is the most commonly used pressure medium. Okay, hot pressing is very similar to the HIP. Milling, forging, extrusion also can apply the high temperature and high pressure, but not isometric pressure is unlike to the HIP. Means what is the meaning of this? Hot isostatic pressing. Hot in that just you have to understand the difference between hot and cold. Cold means when the in your exam or when your mind whenever you will ask the cold means when once your mind will comes cold in the sense water we are going to use liquid, not only specifically water, liquid we are going to use. That process is called as a cold. When we are going to use the high temperature and high pressure, that is we call as a hot isostatic pressing. Maybe I hope you understand the difference of this. Okay, still I'm not completing the hot isostatic pressing. I will continue. Okay, is one of the compressing or processing method which compress the material by applying the high temperature. That to how much temperature range is 100 degrees Celsius to 2000 degrees Celsius and isotopic pressure also there, that is how much maximum 200 megapascal, that much of the pressure we are going to apply. So for that main the parts of that argon is a very important commonly used for the hot isotopic pressing for the pressing medium. Hot pressing is very similar. Okay, it is similar to the whatever the hot pressing process we are going to discussing today, that is exactly similar to the forging, extrusion and other milling process what we are going to doing. No, the same concept is going to be similar to the extrusion and forging, but thing is that different process and this is not process what we can just see the from the outside of that it is equal, but exactly it is not a, both are same. So hot pressing is different, forging is different and extrusion is also different. Okay, hello,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
shall I go for next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just see the slide here. Slide is clearly up here for you people.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see here,
Yes, sir.
I think cold and hot diagrams are same, both are same is there. Okay, just see here, pressurized in that liquid we are means gas is there, in that liquid is there pressurized, yes or no? Here argon is going to be used as a gas. Okay, and pressed part is there inside and steel can container is there, then heated chamber is there, this is we call as a heated chamber. Okay, so thing is that here outside the whatever the steel containers, you know, outside we are going to fix the coils, heating coils we are going to fix it, and through this whatever the pressurized we are going to passing the high pressure gas, that is the argon. Argon is going to pass with the high pressure. What will happen when the gas is going to pass the, okay, when this gas is going to pass to the heated chamber, already we know that heat coils is going to fix it. So gases start moving from, it is going to be heated more, then again it is moving from this side to this side, then what will happen, it totally cover 360, then from all the direction it going to be applying the high temperature and high pressure. So means whatever the applying of the high pressure and high temperature we are going to producing the component, this is we call as a hot isostatic pressure. I hope you not understand. I'll show the video. Okay, shall I share the video?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See here, 1 minute, we'll come back. See here. Hello, students.
Yes, sir.
Pressure, medium, gas is the inert gas is there. There is the organ, and here the actual work is going to be happen. And outside the heater is there, and thermal insulation will be there. Just you have to see the video. Within 2 minutes, you will understand the thought. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Again, it is if you start the videos again, applications or something are there. Just thing is that you have to understand the concept. Have you understand the hot static?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Tell
Yes,
me,
sir.
tell me frankly. Tell if you understand, you can say yes. Otherwise, no. Tell. Otherwise, I will explain once again. Hot isostatic as well as the cold isostatic. Very simple concept.
Yes.
Okay. I hope you understand both the things, both the pressing process. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
There is no doubt.
No, sir.
No, no.
Okay.
So thing is that
No, sir.
okay. Hot static and cold static very important for the examination point of view also. Okay, because these are the means concept is very important and diagrams is very simple. Yes or no? If you know the one diagram, the only thing is that you have to change the parts. Okay, same diagram, chamber, everything will same is there. Okay, something it is 80% similar, 20% different is there. Just you have to understand. I show the both the videos also as well as cold as well as hot. Still, if you those who are not understand, okay, please YouTube is there. So we have put it the cold and hot. You can go for that. Okay, running out of time. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Last concept is there. Okay. 1 minute. Something happened. Okay. Are you able to? Okay. Last concept is there. Only hardly 9 minutes is remaining. Okay. Shall I go for next topic?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is slip casting process. Okay. I will show the video now only. I will share the video. Then you will understand better. Okay. See here. Sound is not there. Hello students. Sound is not there. Just you have to see the video. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Slip casting process. Hello. 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 Have you enjoyed the video? Have you understanding from the video? Just I have shown the videos. Have you understanding?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Slip casting process. Have you understanding or not? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Today we have discussed three topics. The first one is cold isostatic pressing. Okay. Second is hot isostatic pressing, and third concept is slip casting process. All the three concept the whatever the theory part, diagram parts, as well as I have shown the videos also. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Little bit I will discuss about the sleep casting process. Okay. I know everyone knows that casting processes means what. Yes or no? We are going to use the whatever the mold. Then inside the cavity we are going to pour into the molten metal. Then after that we will get the final shape of the ones as according as per the your shape and dimensions and size you will get the product. But sleep casting process is little bit different. Just I will read the whatever I'm going to the contents I am brought here. Sleep casting is often used in ceramics. Especially you have to remember it. Very important point. We are going to using for the preparing the ceramics. Okay, as well as powder metallurgy. Because why I'm discussing the sleep casting process? It is very important. One of the part of the powder metallurgy. The sleep is a mixture of metal powder. In the casting process, only we are going to use the molten metal. There is no mixture of nothing. Yes or no? Here the mixture will be there. That is the metal powder and water and additives. These are the three things, mixture things we are going to use in the sleeve casting. That is, powder, once again I repeat, mixture of metal powder and water and additives. The sleeve is poured into the porous plaster mold. Okay, what the plaster mold is going to use, that whatever the mixture of the sleeve means sleeve in the sense it is a combination of three. One is water, additives and metal powder. This metal powder is a mixture of these three we call as a sleeve. That sleeve is going to be poured into a porous plaster mold and left standing. Okay, whatever and left standing while water is absorbed into the mold. Then the casting is separated from the mold, dried and sintered. Okay. Before discussing the theory part, I have shown already the video about the slip casting. I hope everyone is understanding what is actually slip casting process. I think, hello, anybody difficulty in this understanding the slip casting process? Are you facing the problem to understand? Hello, students, reply anyone. Hello, hello, Barmani. Hello,
No, no, sir, we are
Yes,
not
sir.
facing difficulty.
you are not understanding or what? Understanding?
Understanding, sir.
Okay. Mean casting process we know that. Yes or no? Molten metal is there. That molten metal pour into the mold and again we'll get the component we'll get after the sometimes. Here the very important is sleep means we have to understand sleep in the sense we are it is a mixture of metal powder and water additives. This is mainly we are using in the powder metallurgy and producing the ceramic materials. In that cases, in that function purpose, application purpose, we are mainly used for the slip casting process. Okay, that again we are going to pour into the plaster mold. What will happen? That whatever the moisture content is there inside the what the slip, okay, the mold is going to be absorbed the moisture content. Okay, once it absorbs means whatever you are going to pour inside the what slip is there, that is the additive and metal powder is there. It going to be attached to the outer surface of the whatever we are going to use the plaster mold is there. No, it going to attach the inner surface. So whatever the plaster mold is there, it going to be absorbing the water content will be there in that sleep. It absorb and again it gets separate from that whatever the plaster mold as well as the what you want to use the sleep. It going to be separated. Then excess whatever the excess sleep also you can remove it. Okay, if you want you can remove it. The that's what only in video shown that some amount of the whatever the sleep is coming down outside. Yes or no? Have you seen the video? No, it is rotating in the reverse. Then whatever the extra amount of whatever sleep is there, it is coming outside. That is only having the sum of the water contents and additives coming outside. The final after that you will get the final shape of the component by using the sleeve casting process. I hope you understand everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, after today, what I'm going to discussing all the topics, slides and notes. Okay, today I will send because yesterday because I told that means after completion of every model I will send. Don't worry. Okay, then maybe tomorrow I don't have class. After that I will give the assignments also. Okay, please you have to read their assignments, write their assignments, and you have to be careful about the study. Okay, please don't waste your time. Don't think that after the lockdown again college will open. Okay, sir again they will have engaging the classes and all. There is no time, very short time is there. Within the short time again we have to conduct the two IAs and project seminar things, everything, lot of works are there. Please you have to seriously and take the come and attend the classes and engage the class. I will anyhow all the staffs are engaging in the classes. You have to show interest then we will also show the interest in more effectively. Okay, all the videos, if you not understand the videos, please reply me, contact me, sir, this concept you are not clear. Okay, reply me. Okay, anything you want, you can call me anytime. Okay, hello.
Hello, sir.
Please pass the message to
Hello.
friends. Please, those who are not attending, no, tell them to attend the classes. Okay, we will also legally put the message to everyone. We will call to everyone. Okay, so don't worry about that. But thing is that you have to concentrate, clear the concept. You are get ready to write the exam. That is important. Okay, daily
Okay, sir.
half an hour you have to attend, then you have to understand. Okay, only 2 minutes is remaining.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for the attending the classes. Okay, if anything
Okay,
not
sir.
if anything not understand, please reply me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thanks for
Okay.
attending. Have a nice day. Thanks for attending. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
అన్న క్లాస్ పోరా
क्लास लॉकडाउन है